again quickly and see what her results are. So Sarah, when I say collect, walk back slowly. Ready, go. Okay, now come back to 1 meter again. Remember, in order to get 2 lines on there, you have to hit experiment, store latest, run. And now she's going to do the same thing, but go more quickly. Ready, set, go. Okay, thank you, Sarah. You can have a seat. So looking at these 2 graphs, when we talked about that, and girls who are absent, draw these lines on your first graph on your sheet, and Evan as well. What's the difference between the 2 lines? Zaid.
The blue line is higher than the red line.
And if a blue line or any line is higher than another line on a distance time or position time graph, what does it mean about the speed? What's the speed, Cameron?
It's faster.
It's faster because the slope is
Steeper.
steeper. So steeper is everything in distance time graphs. All right. Then we did the second graph, which is where you had to match the motion, right? So I need another volunteer. And I will switch to file. You tell me which one was it? 33, whoopsie, 33B. Okay, who would like to mimic this one again? Who is really good at it? All right, 33B. All right, Nora, come on up and try. So for this one, you had to try to match the motion. And just as a review, this is distance time. What does this line mean? At rest, then this is constant, accelerating in speed, but in distance time, this is constant. This is at rest, and so that's what Nora needs to do. So starting at 1 meter, nope, it isn't 1 meter. What's she starting at? Half a meter, so you're closer. And if you want to just see where you're going, so you can watch, you can turn around even though it says backwards, okay? So I'm going to hit collect. What's she going to do to begin with? Is she going to move or not?
No.
At rest. So you decide when to start moving. Ready? Go. Ooh, you're good. Wow. Oops, she turned her head. Did you see that? That was really good, though. Nice job. Thank you. So the only reason we got a little interference here is because what did she do? She turned her head real fast, so her hair caught the motion. That's all right. That's awesome. She did exactly what she needed to do. Then we went to 33C. So turn your papers to the back. We switched from, and you girls should have drawn that line, and Evan, we're going to switch to 33C, and we're going to switch to velocity time graphs. And so now we're talking speed. So the lines mean different things. So I need someone to go slow and to go fast, just like we did with distance time, so we can compare the differences. All right, Cameron, come on up. So girls, draw these lines when they appear too. We're on the back side now. All right, so he's going to go slow backwards for 3 seconds. Ready, set, go. Okay, just taking a look at that line, is he traveling at a constant speed?
No.
It would be what if it was constant?
Straight.
It would be straight, and it's not straight. Okay, that's slow. Now you got to pick up the pace and do it fast, okay? So let me go to experiment, store latest run, and then I'm going to hit collect, ready, set, go.
Beautiful.
Did you see? Okay, thank you.
That's
Now,
funny.
most of his line, this is interesting, most of his line is above. What happened here? Did you see what he did?
Stop it.
No, he went like this. Did you see that? Did you notice you did that? That's exactly what happened there. He tilted his head forward. Okay, but then you were kind of above, but you must have had some motion in your arms, so you got some scary things there. I want to have you do it one more time and see if we can get a different result. So I'm going to go to experiment, clear latest run, and we're going to try it again. This is your fast speed. Ready? Sure. Ready, set, go. Okay, and what happened here? What happened here? He got too far. We lost the motion detector here. So if we would just look at this data, thank you. How is this line different than this line? It's higher, so that means which one's going faster, bottom or top? Well, the speed is much faster at the top. Not much faster, but sort of faster. All right, did we get to the bottom one yesterday or not?
No.
Okay, so we're going to do one more, and then I'm going to have the demonstration done first. What is it, 33D? Okay, so did I talk about it yesterday?
No.
All right, so here's how this one's going to work. I love this one. Now, this is still a speed time graph or velocity time graph. So everybody look over here, okay? In a velocity time graph, what does this line at 0 mean?
At rest.
Yeah, when it's at 0, it's at rest. Okay, now this line means
Constant speed.
not in a speed time, it's accelerating, and it's instant, which means you go from not moving to moving. And then you move how?
Constant.
Constant. So I need a volunteer to try to do this one. This is the hardest one of all. All right, Kieran, let's see what you can do. Where are you going to start? I think you're going to start at 1 because this is showing your speed. So start right at 1. You can face forward if you want to. Is she going to move at first? No. Okay, let's see what happens. And this is for 5, it says 5 seconds. We'll see. Ready, set, go. Uh-oh. What happened? Okay, that's okay. We've got to make some adjustments. So she was okay at the beginning, and then she had a good acceleration, but what about her acceleration?
Too fast.
It was too fast, and then did we get constant? We got too much motion. Don't move your arms. Don't move anything. What does she have to do? Like walk like that. How? What speed does she have to do? That's what we have to figure out. What speed do you have to travel? So I'm going to hit Control-Z and get rid of it. Try it again. Okay? So let's see if she can improve this time. Ready, set, go. Keep walking constant. No, we still had an issue there. Let's try it one more time. I've seen some students come back again, do it really well. How fast do you have to go?
Not very fast.
Slow, slow, slow. And once you start walking, should you turn your head?
No.
Just walk straight ahead, slow, slow, slow. All right, let's try it. Ready, set, go. Is that better? That was way better. That was way better because you can see more of the line. So now you all need to go into 33D. You can. Just